Hey everybody, good morning. I just wanted to come on here with a quick Amber video because this is just absolutely hilarious. Not a single person in the reaction sphere has mentioned the wrench in Amber's refrigerator. Right here, right here. Um, it looks like it's been in there since the refrigerator was installed. I guess she got a brand new one when she moved in. But why hasn't she, taken it out, written refrigerator wrench on the plastic packaging and stuffed it in a drawer? I know that, she's been gone for 3 months and there's nothing in the refrigerator except for condiments and crap. But she's had the apartment for almost a year before that. And there's, manufacturer's wrench. And I don't think she's trolling. I mean, the eyeline does kind of look like she's looking right at it, but I don't think she's trolling with that. I think that she just left it in there, you know, because she's too lazy to take it out or doesn't understand or, doesn't want to take possession or ownership or responsibility for anything. So she just leaves it in there. Anyway, yeah. Amber's got a wrench in her refrigerator, and none of the reaction channels noticed it. Okay, bye.